Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you Scouty, the AI employee recruiter. Let's first go over the main website real fast. Here we are at the top on Sintra AI. It is a website which has AI employees for every kind of task. For example, you have Cassie does the customer support, Yomi does the SEO, Buddy is your business partner, and on you got more, Pen for copywriting, for example, Commit for your e-commerce, etc. For example, Soci for your social media manager. You have different kinds. Today we're going over Scouty. Let's go right to the power-ups. Every AI employee got different power-ups. Let's go down below to Scouty. Here he is. And we got different kind of tool. But first, let's go to the individual Scouty. And let me see where it is. Here it is. I will go over the pricing later. Here are the features of Scouty. Screenshot resume, generates outreach emails, plans your interviews, onboards new employees, writes job descriptions, and advises on hiring strategies. Included with Scouty are these tools I'm going to show you in a second. And you're also getting a customizable brain AI. For example, you have to give it a lot of information at the beginning, and then it can help you really in depth with your questions and helps you according to the info you have given it. So the more info, the better the outcome. I will show you that soon as well. But let's first go over the power-ups. Here it is. Let's first go to the LinkedIn Outreacher, generate a personalized outreach email for LinkedIn connections. Let's say I'm in real estate and let's click on generate. And you can make it, of course, more specific with an age and a female, male, etc. But let's keep it general for now. Here it is, the subject, exploring collaboration opportunities. Hi, I hope this message finds you well. I'm Johan, social media content makers. It's now actually generating the email on my input because I've given it my YouTube input, and it's everything according to my YouTube channel is now giving the input. For example, as you can see here, I would love to discuss how we can work together to create content that addresses common tech challenges in real estate. It does get related with the input I've given and also get the targets audience in here, like for the real estate. Could we schedule a brief call to explore this further? And this is actually a message you can send on LinkedIn and very specific, and you can make it even more specific. And if you want to make it longer or shorter, you can do it here. And here you can give it more details if you want it more detailed. Here you can copy and here you can edit it, for example. Let's go back and let's do employee on board. By the way, the more settings is just custom instructions you want to tell the AI just on before you generate. Here it is, employee on board, create a tailored onboarding plan for a new employee. So let's say a software engineer and let's click on generate. Here it is, a onboarding plan for a software engineer. The welcome phase with reception and a welcome kit, orientation schedule, day 1 and day 2, the role specific training for the software engineer in week 1. For example, technical tools and software training specific to current projects that are going on in your company, a meet and greet, or arrange a team lunch or coffee break for informal networking. They get to know the software engineer. A mentor assignment, so assign an experienced software engineer as a mentor to guide and support the new hire. It can do the projects a lot faster and get to know the company better, set performance goals, and do feedback sessions. And that's actually the onboarding for the software engineer, and you can do this with any job as specific as you want. And now let's go over the interview planner. Plan an efficient interview for potential candidate. Let's again do a software engineer. Click on generate. Here it is, the interview plan for software engineer role. The interview format, video interview via Zoom. Questions, describe your experience with software development and specific programming languages. It generates your questions you can ask the software engineer. Discuss your experience with version control systems like Git. And here are some more, your panel setup, your schedule, your overview, then technical questions, then problem solving exercise, and then a cultural fit and soft skills, and then a Q&A. Your prep material, criteria, and the follow-up. Collect feedback from all the interviews within 24 hours, inform candidate if the decision within 3 business days, and provide constructive feedback if requested. And this is actually a interview plan, and you can do that, of course, through any job, like I said. Then the job description writer, create a precise job description for a candidate, because of course, before you can plan an interview, you do need applicants for your job. Let's say again, a software engineer, let's keep it. I'm not a software engineer, by the way, so I don't know all the in-depth questions you have to ask. So here we are, here's the job title, software engineer. There's a role overview, responsibilities, that the applicant does need, here are the responsibilities that the candidate need to have, for example. The qualifications, Python, Java to write in, nice to have. The experience, minimum 2 years of experience as software engineer or related fields. This is actually, again, as you can see, based on the info I've given it about my YouTube channel. The company culture, also a bit with my branding again. And the benefits, flexible work schedule, opportunity to grow. And here the application process, you can do like email, website. Make it longer, shorter again, give it specific info to make it more accurate, copy and edit it as well again if you want to. And let's go back, and here's the email outreach sender. Create a compelling outreach email for a potential candidate. Here's again software engineer. Okay, I think I wrote it wrong. Yeah, my bad. Okay, it's corrected, that's good. Here it is, an email outreach sender. Join our team as a software engineer. Hi. We're excited to announce an opportunity for a software engineer at our dynamic company. This role is, if this sounds like you, we love to hear from you. Please reply to this email or visit our careers page to apply. Looking forward to your response. So this is an outreach email you can do to possible candidates of companies or students, for example. Let's go back again. And here you also have a resume screener. Develop a tool to screen resumes effectively. So you don't have to do that one by one anymore. If you don't want to, you can just click on here and fill in here the resume content. Let me show you. I downloaded one resume off the internet, so it's not real of course, but let's click on generate and see what it does. Here we are, I uploaded a file, a resume, and let's click on generate it. The first one I did a wrong file, that was my bad. Here we go. As you can see, I have done an overview of the resume. It says the key qualifications, it does the relevant experience, achievements. Of course, this is all based not on truth, this is a fake profile, but just to show you achievements, suitability, and the summary. So the candidate has significant experience in product design and management with a proven track record of leadership and strategic thinking. They hold a relevant degree and have received multiple Best Employee of the Year awards, highlighting their impact and effectiveness in previous roles. This is actually how to do it, and then you can ask, how do you think this will suit my company, etc. And let's go over the pricing. So you have two plans, you can buy them individual or all together. There's now a 50% off at the moment. Every employee has the same price. The link is in the description if you want to buy it. Of course, you don't have to do it through the link. It is an affiliate link, but you would help me out if you would join through the link, if you are planning to join. Scouty is $19.50 a month if you pay monthly and $9.75 a month if you paid yearly. And if you want to buy all the employees at once, that is cheaper. If you want to buy 3 or more employees, then it is now $58.50 a month, $48.50 a month, and $29.50 a month if you pay every 3 months, and $19.50 if you pay yearly. That is the Cyber Monday deal right now. I will show you the Brain AI actually, so you can fill in everything you want to know about your brand or questions you have, and it will give you advice or help. It will help you make the decision based on the output it gives you. This is the Brain AI, as you can see right here. This is all the info I've given it, like I said before, and that the output's also based on this as well, like you have seen before with the content creation. It also has integration with LinkedIn, Gmail, and Google Calendar, etc. And you can also do automations with like social media automation, Facebook commenting automatically, and daily summarize your email list with important things out of your emails. These employees are working with these automations, and that is actually it, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below. If you want to join, the link is also below. I hope you have a great day, and bye.